with Sunrise Tax Solutions, your go-to source for tax planning and resolution insights. In today's episode, we're diving into strategies for tackling tax debt and setting things right with the IRS. Stay tuned for more of that in the next video we'll post next week. Dealing with tax debt can feel overwhelming, but there are steps you can take to navigate through it. Today we'll be discussing strategies to help you tackle tax debt and set things right with the IRS. Tip 1. Don't ignore the problem. The IRS will not, even if you can't pay what you owe, file your return on time, or if that's not possible, file for an extension. The late filing penalty is 5% of the tax owed per month, up to a maximum of 25% of the balance. If you don't file your return or make any payment on your obligation, your tax debt will grow rapidly. Tip 2. Be realistic about your situation. The IRS rarely forgives tax debts. Form 656 is the application for an offer in compromise to settle your tax liability for less than what you owe. Such deals are only given to people experiencing true financial hardship. If you or your family have had catastrophic healthcare expenses, or you've lost your job and have poor prospects for generating income in the future, you may qualify. It doesn't happen often. Tip 3. Owe less than $10,000? Handle it yourself. How big is the balance? If it's less than $10,000, you're probably capable of handling the matter yourself rather than paying someone to help you deal with the IRS. Form 9465, the IRS application for an installment payment plan, can be filed online. The service will automatically agree to such a plan for any taxpayer who owes less than $10,000. The plans typically allow you to pay off the balance owed, plus penalties and interest over a 36-month period. That's it for this video. We'll post more strategies for tackling tax debt next week, so stay tuned. If you found this information helpful and want to discuss how we can specifically help you, call us at the number on your screen, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Remember, understanding these changes is the key to securing your financial future. Stay tuned for more of that in the next video we'll post next week. Take care.